Hey guys, just gonna do a super quick unboxing of Exo's second box, which came out today. Yeah, a little bit terrifying. Now it's out of the plastic wrap. Let's have a look. So it's black with gold. Exo logo on the back. And subtitles in English and Chinese. So how does it open? Oh, it opens. It's like an old tape. So that just comes out. It's all gold inside. Just fold it out. There are the 4 discs. It looks so shiny. Okay, and here's the list of what's on it. Looks really fancy. I like. So I look forward to watching that.